Peggy 3.
Hi, I'm Maggie Parr. Welcome to the art lessons from the world of uDraw. I'm here with Remy, your instant art instructor. So Remy, which art lessons will you be sharing with us today?
I'm going to be showing everyone a quick look at our lesson on how to paint a landscape.
Excellent! Let's get started.
Take a look at this photo. We're going to paint this landscape in simple steps. Select the darkest cool green in the palette wheel to block out the basic shape for the tree on the left. We'll select the warmer dark green and rough in the shape of the tree on the right. Paint the basic shape of the boulder. Notice the sunlight is coming from above and to the right in the photo. Paint the light areas of the tree foliage on the right with loose, broad strokes. Paint the tree on the left with the cool green I've selected.
Terrific start, Remy.
Thanks, Maggie.
So, once you establish the primary shapes and start filling in colors, what's the next step?
The next thing you want to do is start bringing out your painting's textures. We'll paint the light area of the right tree trunk. Make rough marks to make the texture look like bark. I'm selecting the brighter, deeper blue to paint the top area of the sky. Paint blue into the tree shapes to show the sky coming through the foliage. Now I'll make the brush smaller, and I'll use the next lighter shade of green. Paint the lightest areas of the tree on the left with the cool green I've selected. Paint the texture of the bark on the tree to the right with light brown.
Wow, Remy, that is really coming together.
What do you say we skip right to the final touches?
You mean highlighting?
Yep, here's a few of the basics. Paint the highlights on the branches of the left tree. Now we're going to paint the highlights where the sun is hitting the edges of the rough pieces of bark on the tree trunk on the right. Paint the highlights on the boulder. You've just finished your first uDraw landscape.
Wow, you know what? I've taken a lot of art lessons, and I have to say, your step-by-step instructions really make it easy for anybody to create amazing art.
And that was just a quick overview of one lesson.
Take home the uDraw game tablet with Instant Artist and get over a dozen comprehensive art tutorials that will help bring out your inner artist.
Play, share, create your world of uDraw.